Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited today because I am going to buy.
Hermes Birkin size 40.
I actually don't know why I dream
About getting a Birkin bag.
because Birkins are mostly. I'm not saying that it is not for men, but mostly it's for girls, women. It's for sophisticated women in the world. Like, I don't know. I'm not sophisticated. I'm not rich. I buy it for fun. I just want it. I don't know why I got extra money, but we'll have a not a brand new one because I can't afford a brand new one. And if you go to Hermes, the actual store, if you go to actual store in Hermes, if you go there, they're not gonna sell it. They're not gonna display Hermes Birkin bag in their store. Anyways, I don't have it yet. It's just reserved to me, and I still want to check what's the condition of the Birkin size 40. And it's my first time to buy Birkin, but I actually have this one. This one is size TPM, the smallest Evelyn bag. Yeah, from Hermes too. It has H, obviously. It was my dream bag 4 years ago. I really wanna have that, but I was so poor before, but I afford it now. Like where did it come from? Alright, so I'm gonna tour you a little bit here. I'm gonna go to the shop. I'm going to the pre-owned shop because they're contacting me now. Because like, hey Ian, we got
Birkin size 40 in black now. If you want to check it, we will reserve it for you because they love me and yes, they love me.
I'm gonna go to that shop.
and we're gonna check the condition if it's still worth to buy. Let's stop talking. Let's go. If you guys want to buy, go to my channel. Go to my Instagram account and Facebook account. I'm going to write it down there on the description. So today I'm going to use my Hermes bag. My stuff are here already, and some of my jewelry, and I'm going to wear my Rolex. This is my first Rolex, and hopefully I will get more because I'm not a jewelry person. I don't wear that much. This is a gift from my mom, and this is a Louis Vuitton in Eclipse black monogram that I got from secondhand. No, it's used, that's why it's a little loose, but it's still okay because I got it cheap. Why will I complain, right? So unfortunately guys, I didn't buy the Birkin size 40 because it's really on a bad condition. I thought I am lucky today, but it's not worth to buy. My mom is here. I think she's just gonna get shoes from Louis Vuitton. Always Louis Vuitton. I want something else. Anong gusto mong bag?
Unicorn.
Unicorn. Pakita mo yung unicorn mo. Wow. Buti pa tong batang to, unicorn lang.
Mama,
Masaya na. Ayoko nga. Sad. Ay na. Wala akong Birkin.
Ay, na-kiss mo ako kasi wala akong Birkin. Kiss mo ako. Kiss mo ako. Ano tong letter?